Hi, I'm Max Richard, and today I'm going to be doing a cover of a Bob Marley song called Three Little Birds. Baby, don't worry about a thing. Oh, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Baby, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, the melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Baby, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Baby, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, the melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Baby, don't worry about a thing, oh, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Baby, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Baby, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Baby, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you.